We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So you got the subscription, you are here in Claude Code, and you are ready to get started with a new session. It is very important before you begin to connect Claude Code with GitHub. So if you don't have a GitHub account, you need to go to github.com and you need to create an account. Once you create an account here in GitHub, you are going to come here in GitHub and you are going to create a new repository. So on the left-hand side, you should see new, and you are going to create a new repository. You are going to give it a name. So we can call this, for example, test repo, and you are going to have the visibility as public or private. This is your choice, and you're going to create the repository. You don't need to change any other settings. You're just going to create this new repository. And the next thing you're going to do is back in Claude Code, you are going to go on the bottom left-hand side, you are going to go to settings right here. And here you're going to go to connectors. You are going to look for the connector that is called GitHub. And you are going to configure, and you're going to sign up, and you're going to connect your Claude Code with your GitHub that has the repositories. The repository is where the code that we built is going to be stored. If you don't see GitHub, you're going to say browse connectors, and here you are going to look for GitHub. You're going to find it if you don't have it already, and you are going to simply log in and connect your Claude Code to GitHub. And now you are ready to get started. So now, whenever you come here to start a new session, you need to do the following thing. Before you begin, here you're going to see this little GitHub button that says select a repository. And here you are going to select your repository, the one that you want to work in. And the next thing that is very important to keep all your projects separate is to click here on this little drop-down menu, and you need to create a new environment. So you are going to create a new environment. We are going to call it test environment here. And now we are going to work on this repository, which is in GitHub, in a new environment, basically here in Claude Code. It is very important to keep all your projects in separate environments, so you maintain the memory and all the prompts that you are giving and all the history, basically, of the changes that you are making. And now you are ready to get started. So now you can prompt, you can give any instructions you want, you can converse with the tool, and whatever you do, make sure that you tell Claude Code to push all the changes to the GitHub repository that you created every time that you finish a session. So before you close Claude Code, make sure that you always say to Claude Code to push all the latest changes inside the GitHub repository that you created. So long story short, what you need to get started with Claude Code is a GitHub account, which is free. You need to create a repository. You need to connect GitHub with Claude Code. And from there, you need to create a new environment. And before you start a new session, you need to select the repository that you need to work in GitHub. And you also need to select the environment that you need to work in, basically the project that you are working in. And in this way, you're going to keep everything nice and clean. That's it. That's all for this video. That's how you can get started correctly with Claude Code. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description. Thank you very much for watching, and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye, everyone.